Hey everybody, here we have a 1980s Carrier Tech 2000.
There's barely a sticker left on the top.
Barely anything remains of it. Let's see, it looks like it has been running, I think. I mean, there's water dripping. It is a 1990 5-ton single phase central cooling air conditioner.
It's a straight cool unit.
I think it's been running, but I don't know, there's water coming out of the
down in there.
condensation line. Kind of compressor.
Oakland, I'm pretty sure.
I think that's a Carlisle.
Is it?
Can't really. No, that's a Copeland. That's a Copeland.
Right now, so
Yeah, that's a Copeland.
I thought so. 38 TG,
Yup.
straight cool.
With a somewhat legible top.
There's your disconnect. It's obviously original with that condition.
All right. That was a 1990 Carrier Tech 2000. Also, the HVAC shirt. You got the HVAC Ninja. Anyway, guess that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.